Deep down in the ocean blue, where the water is so clear, little fish are waiting for you, with the gentle waves so near. They glide so soft and slow, below the surface cool and dim, in the coral's lovely glow. A happy dolphin comes to play and makes a little splash. He swims the quiet hours, oh, without a sudden dash. The water rocks them to and fro. Beneath the shiny moon, the ocean breeze begins to blow and hums a sleepy tune. They flap their tails and gently glide across the ocean floor. They drift along the lazy tide and rest a little more. So close your eyes and join the fish. Deep in the water bright, make a quiet sleepy wish and say a sweet good night.